hindi kahit kami ng coaches namin na para magkaroon kami ng mga IDs, mga government IDs para mabilis din yung process. Kaya dumiretso na kami dito after 3 days. Mas mabilis yung process dito kaysa sa dun talaga sa mga branch nila.
Sa experience ko po, sobrang smooth po ng process po ng pagkuha po ng mga IDs.
Yes po, smooth naman po yung process niya since mostly naman po ng mga agency is online na po yung process ng ID and registration.
So for your experience mo, parang very convenient naman siya. Tapos mabilis po since parang tabi-tabi ng every government ano po, madali lang. Tapos na-accommodate po kami ng maayos. So far, maganda naman.
So far, so good po kasi ang dami pong approachable na company and napaka-interactive po ng mga booths po na meron sila dito. And then, yung yung mostly po na company na hanapan namin is swak po din sa course na as of now po course ko po. Very useful po kasi marami pong opportunities na nag-iintay dito sa Career Fest. Kaya, luckily po nakapunta po ako ngayon since last day na nga.
Same din po, very thankful na nakapunta kami dito kasi sobrang ganda naman experience na nakikita namin. And ayun nga po, maraming tulong para sa amin po, especially sa mga third year na katulad namin na naghahanap po ng internship sa darating na summer.
First of all po, we are very thankful na naganap po itong Career Fest dahil malaking tulong po sa amin ito bilang naghahanap ng mga internship company. And then, possible po yung mga internship company na po na ito pwede po namin magamit as or ma-applyan po sa trabaho sa future. Kaya sobrang thankful po kami dahil naganap po itong event na PUP Career Fest.
Ayun po, syempre thankful din po, pero I hope na one day or next time is mas dumami pa po yung mga pupunta po dito mga company para sa Career Fest po lang. Para mas marami po kaming mga choices and options.
For graduating students, actually, this is an important event because dito na build yung foundation kung how you communicate with other people, introducing yourself, and if you wanted to really explore opportunities on different companies, this is the time for you to shine. Ayan, you can bargain yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Actually, I am a PUP graduate as well, a PUP alumni from last year, September, graduated 2023. So, just a quick background, I also attended career fair last year, and then I end up my internship with PNP as well, and then just after my internship, just a 2 weeks ng processing lang ng requirements, and then I got employed with PNP as well.
This is actually a homecoming for me. I'm an alumni of that school and happy to see my fellow students to interact with them. First, we are grateful that we are being invited to this career fair, and we're given an opportunity also to have a career talk with those students, especially those graduating students, and we're looking forward for more engagements with the university.
With PUP, smooth naman yung transaction with them. So when we chose the package that we wanted, okay naman sila, madali naman kausap, and then our place, it's really accessible for all the students naman. Actually, just to have a trivia, one of the favorite people that we hire from PUP because they're really, you can see their passion, they're really patient, and they're really hardworking. So, one of the top schools ang gusto namin sa Alright, so my message for the organizer is thank you so much for organizing this event, and we're looking for more partnerships in the future, and as early as now, I want to congratulate you because this event is very successful.
Experience in bootcamp is such an amazing opportunity for me as a graduate student since we are not know what future lies on us, but then since this bootcamp help us to be equipped with the knowledge on how we can deal in the professional career path. For the leadership, as mentioned for this bootcamp, I learned how to be, like, as what they said, a good leader should be a good listener. And also, you have the resilience and being innovative on how you can make such right decisions in leading. And for the soft skills, as I learned also from the previous speakers, this is something that really impacts me a lot, is that happiness is a power, it is a decision, and we have having a positive appearance, it resonates not only for the self but also for the others. That can also change your perspective that you can lead in a better way.
Very full of learnings and insights po siya, since the complexity of it adds the beauty to the IT-related stuff na dapat po namin malaman as computer engineers and as an IT-related professionals. For leadership po, nabanggit po nung one talk hapon, specifically na in order for you to be a good leader, you have to be a good follower. And I do think that it adds a lot of informations about us, kung paano namin i-lead yung sarili namin at kung paano po kami mag-lead ng ibang tao as professionals paglabas po namin. To talk about the technical things naman po, marami din po na-share yung mga speakers po namin about sa technical skills that we have to acquire, mga technical stuff like yung mga programming languages and yung mga software na ginamit nila, which very good po para sa amin to be more curious and to strive to be better pa para po malaman namin yung mga ganun klase. Kasi nakikita po namin na yung mga products and services na nakikreate nila is truly one of the best. Tapos sa soft skills naman po, ang pinakagusto ko po kasi part talaga is yung the one that talks about the well-being. Ang dami pong mental health problems na nangyayari ngayon. And it's good na it's not a topic na ina-avoid na ngayon. It ina-acknowledge na siya as one of the problems when it comes to personal and interpersonal. Pero tumatak po talaga sa akin doon is yung soft skills like being kind. Sabi po ni Ate Trish, dapat po maging kind tayo sa ibang tao. And sobrang gusto ko po yung talk na yun kasi naniniwala po ako na kapag mabait ka po sa tao at mabait ka sa sarili mo, it surely gives a positive energy and it gives you a positive outlook in life. Ang biggest na naitulong po sa akin ng PUP is gawin akong dalubhasa sa field sa kung saan ko talaga gusto kong mag-focus. Hinuhon din po ng PUP ang time management skills ko because of the workloads, pero hindi po siya intended in a negative way. Na-apply ko po talaga yung knowledge ko when it comes to time management and multitasking skills ko po. And it's surely the one that makes me commendable dun po sa dati kong employer ng intern ako. And I do think yun po yung parang most significant na ambag po ng PUP para sa akin.